and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereida and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials with you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a really simple, cute half up that is perfect for any wedding guests because I know it's wedding season. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start by sectioning off a small piece at the crown of my head, and then I'm going to make a small bun with that hair. Now I'm going to just add a bit of texture at the top. I do this by just sticking my fingers into my head and then just starting to pull out small pieces. Now I'm going to take two side sections and I'm going to make another ponytail, but this one I'm going to make sure it's a little looser than the first one. Now I'm going to flip the hair up through the gap to make a topsy tail. And now I'm going to twist the topsy tail, and in the little gap that's still there, I'm going to just pull the bun through. Now I'm going to start to fluff up the edges of the twist, but honestly, after doing it, I would just skip this part. And then you're all done. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and follow me on my other socials. I will link them down below in the description box. And until next time, you guys,